Hello, Plant Sally Mally. Sut ydych chi? Well, how are you? We're so excited to see you soon. Felly, Mrs. Morgan and Mrs. Blackborough thought we would give you a little tour of Sally Mally Meithrin, okay, before you come and see us tomorrow next week. Okay, so if you follow me, dewch gyda fi. So dyma, here is where you will find your enw, your name, find your enw, and you'll put your cot and your bag on your peg, okay? And then, if you can find your enw, okay, and you can put that in the box as well, okay? Find your name and you put that in the box every morning and every afternoon, okay? Then when you come into Sally Mally, what we want you to do is, you need to come in, after putting your bag and your cot on the peg, we'll want you to come in and you can come and wash your hands in the sinks here. So we've got sebon, soap, golchi dwylo, and then you can dry it with the hand dryer, okay? A dyma'r tŷ bach, here are the toilets, okay? Rhif 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 toilets for you, okay? Felly dewch gyda fi, come with me. Dyma yw'r bwrdd ysgrifennu. Here is the writing table. And you can do all of your writing and all of your colouring all on this table, okay? A wedyn draw fan hyn, over here, this is the carpet. And Mrs. Morgan and Mrs. Blackborough will tell you stories on here. We will do some sing-songs on here, and we'll do some letters. We'll do all sorts of things on here. Okay, so when you come in the morning, and after you've washed your hands, golchi dwylo, we'll come and sit on the carpet for 5 minutes, okay, and say hello to one another. Bore da, prynhawn da, ffrindiau. Okay, wedyn fan hyn, here, we've got the blocks, and you can do lots of adeiladu, building. You can do all your building here, okay? A draw fan hyn yw'r dŵr. This is the water, and we'll do lots of playing in the water there. Okay. Oh, hang on. Bydd angen gwisgo ffedog. Okay. Bydd angen gwisgo ffedog, an apron when you go in the water. Draw fan hyn. Come with me. Draw fan hyn yw'r ardal crefft. So chi'n gallu peintio, a chi'n gallu neud crafft. You can do all of your sticking and gluing and torri, cutting. You can do all of that here. Okay? Right. Draw fan hyn, over here is the tŷ bach twt, the little house. You can do all your cooking, all your chatting with your friends here. You can drink nice cups of water here. Okay? You can do all of your pretending, all in the tŷ bach twt. Okay? Dyma'r shop, here's the shop. Okay, you can buy all your fruit here. Okay. Draw fan hyn yw gegin Mrs. Blackborough and Mrs. Morgan. This is where we'll cut your fruit, torri ffrwythau, and you'll have your milk ready there, and we'll go and sit on the carpet and have our llaeth and ffrwyth on the carpet, okay? But that's just for Mrs. Blackborough and Mrs. Morgan, okay? Right, come with me. Let's go outside. Tu allan. Well, oh, na, mae hi'n bwrw glaw. It's raining. Okay, dim ots. Felly, tu allan, rydyn ni yn gallu chwarae gyda'r cerddoriaeth. We can play with the music. Chwarae yn y tŷ, in the house. Rydyn ni'n gallu chwarae gyda'r Lego, a adeiladu fan hyn, building. Mae gyda ni y gegin mud, the mud kitchen, a'r llithren, the slides, and we've got a story area there, and we've got our climbing frames, our beiciau, the bikes. Can you see our new bikes? Oh, ni'n edrych ymlaen at chwarae gyda'r beiciau. Look forward to playing on the bikes. Okay, a wedyn right draw fanna, right over there is the water. Okay, So we're going to try and play outside as much as we can. Yeah? Okay, dilyn ôl te. Felly, plant Sally Mally, rydyn ni wedi gorffen. Okay, you've finished your tour, and you've seen where you're going to come now for the next few weeks and months. Okay, and we can't wait to see you. Ni'n edrych ymlaen at gweld chi yn fawr iawn. Okay, gweld chi fory. See you tomorrow and next week. Hwyl!